Want to mirror your mobile screen to your PC without installing any apps or software? Yes, it's totally possible, and in this video I'll show you the fastest and easiest way to do it. No cables, no downloads, and absolutely no cost. First, click on Windows search bar and search for projection setting. Then open this. Click on optional features. Now click on Add optional feature. Here search for wireless display and add it. After that, search for projection setting. Then make these changes. Now click here. Now open your mobile. Scroll it from the top and you will find an option as cast. Long press on it once it open. Click on these three dots and then click enable wireless display. You will see our PC will appear here. Click on that. Now you can see we have successfully connected our mobile screen with our PC. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.